Welcome to my channel, Lizify Creative. Just so you know what I'm about, I do tutorials, DIYs, and more. Subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up on this video, hit the bell button, and let's get started. Today we're making this kitty mask using HTV, my Cricut machine, and my Easy Press. I'm going to save it out as a file. I'm just going to export it into a PNG, so I'm going to go File, Export Save As, hit Use Artboard, and save it as a transparent background, and then bring it into my Cricut design space. Once it's in your design space, you're going to hit Simple and save it as a cut image, and then I'm going to resize it to the size I want, just like this. And then I'm going to bring it into this part and hit the mirror because it's HTV, and then hit Continue, and then I'm going to load my mat. Once the mat is loaded, you can hit the arrow button to load it into the machine. Make sure it's on iron on, like that, and then hit the C button to cut. And it'll start cutting. Once it's done cutting, you unload your mat and then get ready to do the pink nose. So you have to hide pieces from the white vinyl and then cut it, and it's the same process as the white vinyl, and then load your mat and it'll start cutting the pink vinyl for the nose. Once it's done cutting, you can weed your vinyl just like this. I'm actually going to use my X-Acto knife to cut out the mouth from the nose. I forgot to do that, so you can see that I did that here. And then I'm going to take some transfer tape and transfer the nose onto the white kitty vinyl so it all goes down together when I heat press it. And then you should be able to line up the nose with the cut marks that are in the transfer tape from the Cricut machine. So it's time to apply it to the mask. So I'm just going to go to Cricut's website and get the heat guide for my Easy Press, and then I'm clicking the type of vinyl I'm using, and then the type of material it is, and I'm using a towel. And it tells me it's for 330 Fahrenheit at 30 seconds. So I'm just going to set my buttons correctly. I'm going to let that warm up, and then I'm going to place my towel down with my mask. While it's warming up, I'm just going to heat my mask up and place my vinyl on top where I want it to lay. I'm going to place my heat press on it and hit the timer. And it's just going to go for 30 seconds. And I've also used some parchment paper just to protect the mask. Flip it and then put some heat on it for another 15 seconds, just like this. Then pull away the transfer tape slowly, and it looks like I have to reheat that part on the nose, and then you have a kitty mask. Thanks for watching my video. If you're interested in this kitty mask, I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy it. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.